The next cartridge that we're going to review is the pressure balanced valve cartridge, which is a very high quality product made by Kingston. The pressure balance valve is required in most new construction and remodeling by code to avoid the sudden shock of either hot or cold on whoever is taking a shower. Our pressure balance valve is made up of two parts. One is our valve cartridge, the other is our balancing spool. Our balancing spool, the water enters here on both the hot and the cold side. Inside there is a stainless steel spool that when the water pressure drops on the hot side will adjust the cold side so that the water temperature remains the same. The water pressure may be reduced, but at least no one gets a sudden shock. On top of the balancing spool is the cartridge. This cartridge controls the water flow and adjusts it either to hot or cold. One of the biggest enemies that both the balancing spool has and the cartridge is debris or residue in the line. This will often occur when someone has not currently blown out the lines to get the sand and other debris when they're running new copper. It can involve solder when they're soldering if it's not done properly. Or the other problem that can happen in some instances is on an older home where they have got a lot of calcium built up inside the house. If that calcium breaks loose, it finds its way either into the cartridge or into the balancing spool. It can cause damage. If someone does consistently have a problem with that, they need to deal with that problem within their home. This residue in their lines, debris, however it may get in there, can cause havoc with their washing machine valves, their dishwasher valves, their refrigerator valves on their ice machine, and many other small valves throughout the house.